Good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn about operating costing. Under that, a calculation of total ton kilometers. So let us start. Okay, see the question that is from 2018 question paper. Okay, Sumukha Transport Company has for 10 trucks, each with a capacity of 4 tons. Okay, the number of trucks which they had is 10 trucks, and capacity of the truck, that is what is the goods carried, that is 4 tons. Each truck make 3 round trips a day between 2 places 40 kilometers apart. Okay, the distance is 40 kilometers. It means one side it is 40 kilometers. In the onward journey, full load of bricks. It means when in the onward journey, what is the goods carried? 4 tons. Okay, clear. Then a return journey on an average of 20% of the capacity filled. So while returning out of 4 tons, only 20% is carried. Clear. Trucks are laid down for repairs for 5 days. In a month of consisting of 30 days. It means what is the operating days? That is 30 minus 5. That will be 25 days. Clear? So first you write all the information, that is number of truck, 10 trucks, tons carried 4, while coming back only 20% of the 4 you have to take. The number of days 30 minus 5, it will be 25. Distance is 40 kilometers. Round trip. See, directly they have given the round trip, so take 3. Clear? See, I'll repeat here. Think that starting point is A. From A to B, what was the distance? Distance is 40 kilometer. It is one side. And goods carried. From A to B, carried how much? 4 tons. But while returning back, that is from B to A, what was the goods carried? 4 into 20%. Clear? That will be 0.8 tons. Clear. So let us solve it. Calculation of ton kilometer. So what will be the formula? That is onward journey plus return journey. Okay, into number of vehicles, into number of trips, into number of days. That is onward journey means how much distance you have traveled and how much goods carried. Okay, that is distance is 40 kilometers. So take 40. Then ton carried 4, that is in onward journey. While returning, what was the distance? Distance is same, that is 40, and goods carried, that is 4 into 20%. Clear? So that's why I have written here 4 into 20%, or else you can directly write 0.8. Clear? Into how many number of vehicle is 10 trucks, and number of trips, that is 3 round trips. See here you have to take what is a round trip, because onward and return, right? Onward ಮತ್ತೆ return ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಂತದ್ದು? It is a round trip. Clear? So round trip directly they have mentioned, so take 3 trip. Clear? The number of days 25. Got it? So first you solve it. 40 into 4, it will be 160. Then 40 into 4 into 20%, if you do, you will get 32. Then 10 into 3 into 25. So when you multiply everything, you will get 1,44,000 ton kilometer. I hope it is clear to you. It is a simple sum which I have explained in the previous class. Okay, let us see similar question to that. See the question. This is from 2011 question paper. Suraksha Transport Company has 4 mini trucks. So number of trucks it is 4. Each with the capacity of truck of 5 tons. So goods carried is 5 tons. Each truck make 6 trips a day between 2 places. So be careful, students. What they have given? They have given the trips. I hope you know the difference between trip and round trip. So here they have mentioned specifically it is 6th trip. Clear? 30 kilometers apart. That is distance is 30 kilometers. In the onward journey, full load of bricks, that is 5 tons is carried, and in the return journey on an average of 20% of capacity. So when returning only 20%, it means 5 ton was onward journey, while returning how much? 5 into 20%, how much? 5 into 20%, it will be 1 ton. Clear? So that will be the returning time. They have carried 1 ton goods. Got it? filled with the provisions. Trucks are laid out for repairs and rest for 5 days in a month of 30 days. It means how many number of days it is operated? 30 minus 5, it will be 25. Clear? So first you mention all the things, that is number of trucks 4, goods carried, ton carried 5, while returning back only 20% you have to take, that is 5 into 20%. Clear? Then number of days 30 minus 5, that is 25 days. Distance 30 kilometers, which is given in the question, and they have mentioned here, see the question students, what they have mentioned, that is 6th trips they have given, right? So 6th trip means how many round trip? It means it is a 3 round trip. Clear? So I hope you have understood the example which I have given in the previous classes. See, one round trip means how many trips? One round trip anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು trips? It is 2 trip. Clear? See, trip anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ only one way journey. Clear? Round trip means onward journey as well as the return journey. Clear? So they mentioned 6 trips. So 6th trip means it is 3 round trip. I hope it is clear to you. 6th trip anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 round trip. Clear? Now see the formula here. Calculation of ton kilometer. Onward journey plus return journey. Okay, onward alli entadu, what is the distance traveled? How many distance? 30 ton carried, that is 5. Return journey, so return journey alli what was the distance? Same thing, that is 30. Goods carried, that is ton carried 5 into 20%. Clear? Then number of vehicle, how many vehicles were vehicle here? 4, right? Then number of trips. See, be careful with the number of trips here. Onward also there, it is return also there. It means you have to consider here what? You have to consider the round trip here. If you mention like this, you have to consider the round trip. See, there are other ways to solve the question. Okay, I am saying in simple way. If you return onward and return, got it? Onward, return. It means I have taken here how many number of, that is round trip I have considered. Clear? That is 3 round trip. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Number of days 25. Okay, so when you multiply it, 30 into 5, 150. 30 into 5 into 20%, it will be 30. Okay, so 150 plus 30, 180. So first you solve the which is there in the bracket, then you multiply. Got it? 180 into 4 into 3 into 25, it will be 54,000 ton kilometers. I hope it is clear to you. So be careful with the trips. Okay, if they mention round trip, directly you take the round trip. Got it? If they mention trips, then you convert into the round trip. Okay, when I am considering when I mention onward and return. Got it? So I hope it is clear to you. So if you like the video, plus like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.